Is AI good enough? My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. And in this video, I'm going to be asking the question of when you should use AI or an agency. And I think there's a great conversation over on LinkedIn right now. Daniela Bolzmann has a great design agency, and she poses this question because she was the person that did design work for Zesty Paws. And that's a big animal brand, if you're not familiar. She made some great designs. I have great opinions of Daniela and her design work. And in her posts, she writes, lately, I keep seeing posts about how someone recreated Zesty Paws Amazon images with AI in one click. Makes me cringe. It does not make me cringe, by the way. I do think Daniela has a good point here that people think that they can be using AI to get to the same quality. And really where I found the articulation and why I'm shooting this video is because I think there's a lot of people that don't know like the bright line. So I'm going to read Daniela's post and then give you kind of my hot take. With those posts, what those posts leave out, they don't actually work with Zesty Paws. They grabbed a brand's finished imagery and fed it to a tool. So if you were going to launch a competitor for Zesty Paws right now, isn't that exactly what you would do? It's what I would do. I know what actually went into that imagery because we built it. Zesty Paws has been a brand to watch in the Amazon space for years. They came out swinging with a bold orange aesthetic that separated them from every other supplement on the page. By the way, color is a great way to win CTR. CTR, fastest way to grow sales on Amazon. They didn't hire us to protect that edge. They hired us to keep pushing it. They wanted to evolve towards a more science-driven direction without losing the personality that made them zesty. AI does not have personality. I think everybody can agree to that. So we didn't design one version and call it done. We built multiple prototypes and put them in front of real dog owners to see which direction actually pulled. I don't think this argument is unique to AI. I think that is what everybody should be doing, even with AI. And quite frankly, you could make 10 versions with AI and run it faster. Then we rebuilt the A+ content around what won. Lifestyle photos, the exact mobility moments owners recognize, the one stat that matters, 14 million dogs struggle with joint issues, pulled out of the fine print, every claim cleared by their legal team. We proved it across 4 rounds. By the way, legal claims and health benefit claims, very difficult and lead to a lot of A+ content or listings being pulled on Amazon, especially in the supplement category. So that is worthy of being careful on. We proved it across 4 rounds of consumer testing, 140 dog owners. The new A+ content won every competitive round against the major brands in the category. In one head-to-head, Zesty was picked 70% over 3 competitors. And a huge kudos to the Zesty Paws team. They followed the data throughout the entire process. Not every brand leans so heavily on the data we present. Quite frankly, I cannot tell you how much that resonates. I'll be in a boardroom with people. I'll be like, hey, I just grew your website 10 million uniques. We should go west. And they'll be like, we're going to go east. I'm like, that's happened to me. That part, the thousands of dollars, the audience study, the testing is what AI can't shortcut. Yes, it can. It can make lots of versions that you put out at the same time and A/B test. Once a brand has proven its aesthetic, AI makes it easy to scale. True. A human still has to decide what great looks like first. Maybe. I could put women I'm dating into Grok right now, and it'll rate how hot they are. And quite frankly, I agree with it within a standard deviation. So I don't know if that's true, if it can tell what's great or not. That is what the brand's Zesty look should look like, not a one-click guess. All right, so here's my hot take. I actually did write this comment on there, and that is, your designs rock. 100% she makes great designs. AI is capable of mimicking awesome designs like yours to at least 80% quality, and for some, that $5 in click costs compared to the $1,000 of work. And by the way, she probably spent $10,000 in client costs here minimum. Lots and lots of time, though. On top of that, AI can even probably add SEO better than most Amazon agencies. Not mine, but most. And for a sub 500K brand, $5 for a click and look like 80% good enough job, that's good enough. For an empire building that they won't touch AI and will need to hire people like you, though. All right, so this is my hot take. I'm going to break it down a little bit. That extra 20% that you can't get from AI is the deal breaker between your brand going from 3 mil to 5. And a lot of brands that have no A+ content and going to any A+ content are going to double their sales. So no matter what you do when you launch your product, launch it with A+ content. And if you can't afford to hire an agency, you're better off putting something there at 80% of the way for $5. Why wouldn't you? Even if it leads to challenges, even if there's a typo, even if AI makes your dog have 6 fingers on its paw, doesn't matter, still better than nothing. Now, can AI mimic? You betcha. I think AI can mimic and do a really good job. Funny side note, when I came out with my updated look, I had lost 50 pounds, I had jaw surgery, and I started posting pictures of myself or videos of me talking, and people said, "Steven, are you AI now?" And I said, that's the greatest compliment everybody has ever paid me, because I put a lot of work into that, and I couldn't be happier. Having said that, there is something to say there in the fact that AI is good enough to make people ask that question. Is Steven Pope AI now? Well, I had my cat in my lap and still people were wondering until I made 100 videos or 100 posts and people are like, okay, it's not AI. That's really Steven. I don't think AI could monologue for 40 minutes like that in Steven's tone. But when you're trying to make these decisions on whether to use a tool that gets you 80% of the way there or use an agency, it really is a scaling question, right? As an Amazon brand owner, you have 1,000 things you can get to or do at any given time. There's too many things to get done. It's very complicated to know what to focus, which is why I build a lot of content around that question. Focus on CTR, your main image, fastest way to grow sales on Amazon. Price, number 2, fastest and easiest way to grow sales is just updating your price. These are things you should spend lots of time on because they don't take lots of time. They're easy and they're fast results. Something like A+ content, a lot more time intensive. And if you're trying to decide whether to get something up and running or do an update, AI could get 80% of the way there. But once you're 80% of the way there, you're going to static. You're going to hit a plateau. And this is when you got to bring the experts in because AI can be programmed. You can get a good prompt in there, but there's just certain things it can't do well, 6 fingers or otherwise. Additionally, if you didn't program the AI to build A+ content with SEO in mind, good game. Guess what? 80% of Amazon agencies don't even program SEO into their A+ content. So why do you think AI would, unless you told it to? And those that follow my channel know exactly what SEO you need to do in your A+ content, from alt text changes to actual crawlable text. Because even in August of 2026, AI and Amazon's Rufus or otherwise are not crawling photos for text for SEO purposes on Amazon today. That could change next week. That could change next month. But as of this moment, still not being done. So if you have text heavy images, you are missing out on crawlable SEO text. Your AI design is not going to know that because it's a hotly contested unknown fact. This is why experts will beat AI head to head. However, if your budget is $5, AI looks pretty freaking good, doesn't it? But if your budget is $1,000 or better, and you could make an extra $1 million by hiring the expert, why wouldn't you? Why would you do that to yourself? Okay. Does it take time to find the right expert? You betcha. Is it pain in the ass to interview a few agencies? 100%. But you're watching this video and you're already 8 minutes in. You're committed. You might as well pick up that phone, go to myamazonguy.com/book and get a free call, and we'll tell you exactly what we do for you. Some of you will take that idea, not hire us, and still grow your sales. Others will take that call and hire us, and will grow your sales even more, hopefully. So that's my pledge to you. So that's my video today on whether you should use AI or not. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you want me to shoot a video on something, add a comment. I frequently will go through those comments and address problems that you guys have. It's my pleasure to serve you guys in the Amazon community. My name is Steven Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy.